Planning a winter getaway? Traveling in winter can be magical, but also challenging. Here are the top tips to ensure your winter travels are safe, comfortable, and full of adventure. Start with the basics. Pack plenty of layers, including thermal wear, waterproof jackets, and insulated boots. Don't forget essentials like gloves, scarves, and a good quality hat to keep your extremities warm. In winter, it's easy to forget to drink water, but staying hydrated is key. Carry a reusable insulated water bottle to keep your drinks warm and your energy up. Winter weather can be unpredictable. Check weather forecasts before you travel and keep some buffer time in your schedule for potential delays or cancellations. If you're driving, pack an emergency kit with a flashlight, extra blankets, snacks, a first aid kit, and snow chains for your tires. It's better to be over-prepared than caught off guard. Cold air can be harsh on your skin. Keep moisturizers, lip balms, and sunscreen handy to prevent dryness and protect against UV rays, even on cloudy days. Winter conditions can drain your phone battery faster. Carry a portable charger and ensure your devices are fully charged so you can stay connected in case of emergencies. Eating the right foods can keep you energized and warm. Opt for hot meals and drinks, and avoid too much caffeine or alcohol, which can dehydrate you in the cold. For air travel, wear light layers that you can easily add or remove. Airports and airplanes can shift from cold to warm quickly, so dressing flexibly is key. Finally, enjoy the magic of winter travel. Whether it's snowy mountains, festive cities, or cozy cabins, embrace the beauty and make lasting memories. Winter travel is an adventure like no other. With the right preparations, you can make it a season to remember. Like and follow Disease Fix for more travel and wellness tips.